Go.
Hello Dragons, my name is Savannah Amont.
And my name is Danielle Newton.
And we are here today to ask for a $500,000 investment in our innovative product, the Shower Buddy.
And what is the Shower Buddy, you might ask? Well, it is a shower head attachment that dispenses both conditioner and shampoo at the simple touch of a button.
And we are looking for this investment in order to scale our business and get another factory, as well as market our product, the Shower Buddy.
We make one Shower Buddy at $8. We are selling them for $45 per unit, and that means we make a profit of $37.
And we have already invested $150,000 of our own money and sold just over 4,000 units to get our investment back. We project our sales to be $1,147,000 after 2 years, as long as we sell a minimum of 1,000 units a month.
So Dragons, which one of you wants to join our team in spreading the innovative product of the Shower Buddy?